Hi, this is Clara for Blockchain of Things. This tutorial will teach you everything you need to know about the read message node. The read message node retrieves a message that was either inserted into a Bitcoin transaction or that had its hash inserted into a Bitcoin transaction and its contents placed on IPFS. This node takes the ID of the message you wish to retrieve as input and returns a JSON object containing the message's content. Let's go through each Properties panel field to review what each property is for. Node-RED specific fields include the name field and connection field. Add a descriptive name of your choice to the name field that will help differentiate this node from others of the same type on the Node-RED workspace. Set a previously configured Catenis virtual device in the connection field, or configure a new virtual device. If you need to configure a new virtual device, check out the video at this link to learn how. Catenis Flow will automatically encode the content you send into one of three types you designate: UTF-8, base 64, or hexadecimal. UTF-8 is typically associated with textual content and is the default encoding type that Catenis uses. Base 64 is typically used when one wants to handle data stored in the form of a document. Hexadecimal is typically used when one wants to express binary numbers. In the Data Chunk Size field, you can enter the size in bytes of the largest message data chunk that should be returned. Indicate whether processing should be done asynchronously in the Async field. Now, let's take a look at the example flow found at this link. Copy the example flow, click the Node-RED hamburger menu, and click Import to display the Import Flow dialog box. Paste the flow into the import box and click the Import button. This flow is a working example implementing the read message node. Note that after importing the example flow, you will need to set the Catenis flow nodes to your own previously configured virtual device. You will also need to set the message ID payload in the inject node to the ID of a message you have previously logged. Don't have a message ID? Complete the tutorial at this link to generate your own message ID. You can pause this tutorial now to explore this flow on your own, and in our next tutorial, you'll learn how to create this flow from scratch. Awesome! Now you should understand read message nodes. In our next tutorial, you'll learn how to use the read message node in a flow of your own.